At Ralph's Burger and Pizza. Hello there, Jewel. Hello, Jewel. Hey, Jewel. Hello there, Sarah, Ralph, and Carly. Listen up, guys. We have some new customers here, Nfario and Weegee. So get to work. Nfario and Weegee then arrive at Ralph's Burger and Pizza. It's nice to see you, Nfario and Weegee, since your debut episode with Mario and Luigi. Yeah, Ralph, it's nice to see you guys. Wow, Weegee, you've lost so much weight. Yes, I have, Carly. Is Nfario okay? He looks like he's constipated. Don't worry about him, Sarah. He's just resentful. Oh! Why am I not in Smash Bros? Meanwhile with Jewel. Better get going with his pizza.